Hanji, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about cleaning the shell of my helmet and washing the inner lining or padding of my helmet, and we will also talk about what not to use while washing it. What we are not doing is using harsh chemicals to clean either the shell or the visor of your helmet. We'll start by taking off the padding and this part here, this part of the padding here, uh, it rubs against your face every time you take the helmet on or off, and it's most likely to gather oil and sweat from your face. So first of all, we'll start by taking the visor off. See your owner's manual for instructions on your specific helmet. And please do not use glass cleaner on the visor because it's not glass, it's plastic, so the visor might have some kind of anti-glare coating on it, and harsh chemicals can destroy that coating. Next thing we'll do is take apart the padding of the helmet. Normally the padding is attached by snap-on buttons. There is a chance that yours might be different, so be aware of that. Then see that one there, I can just take it off, pull it off, and it will simply snap off. And take all the pieces off one by one. Wash this padding with a baby shampoo or any other kind of mild shampoo. Do not use harsh chemicals with a strong smell, because just remember, this padding will be around your head in an enclosed place. And definitely do not blow dry the padding, because that will damage the padding for sure. After you have taken out the padding, wrap the helmet in a wet towel or cloth. Doing that will loosen all the dirt and bugs, and you won't scratch the helmet while cleaning it. Let the helmet be wrapped for about 15, 20, 30 minutes, and then once we are done, we can start wiping it down with the warm water. You can also use some soap water if you like. My helmet is not that dirty, so I'm just gonna give it a quick rub down, and I don't have to use any kind of soap or anything like that, but if you want, you can do that. Align the snap-on buttons with the padding. The red ones, see that one there, you can see they just align them with that one, with those red ones there, and just snap them back on at the front and at the back, like that. So repeat that again with the front. Just repeat the same process in reverse, what you did while taking the padding off. Once we're done with the cleaning of the helmet, we can just go ahead and wash the inner padding with the soap. And just remember, do not throw it in a washing machine, that will damage the lining. So just put the mild soap, clean it up, and 24 hours later, once the padding is dried, we can come back. Take the cheek pads there, put the belt through that hole, chin strap through that hole, and just like the other piece there, align those snap-on buttons there. Put that plastic piece inside the lining, the shell. Just repeat the same process for the other side there. Put that chin strap through. Once we've installed all the pads, we can go ahead and install the visor. We already cleaned. Just snap it back in. And once you snapped it back, just make sure like it's working okay. And there you go. And we are done cleaning our helmet and washing it, so it's just good as new. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all, and have a nice day.